Good morning, students of class 3. Today I have come back to our social studies class. We have already completed chapter 6 and I have sent you the questions from that chapter. And we have already completed our syllabus for unit test. Okay, be careful. You must read the chapters nicely. You may ask questions. You may ask oral questions from this chapter too. So be prepared yourself. What I am telling you in the class, you have to listen carefully. Okay. So the name of the chapter is Be Safe, Be Happy. Chapter 8. Page number 51 from your book. Open. Get, set, go. What is written here? Write yes for things you do and write no for things you do not do. Play in safe places such as park or a playground. Yes. Always walk on the footpath or on the safe side of the road. Yes. Disturb your pet. No. Leave your toys on the floor. No. Accept toffees from people you do not know. No. Safety at home. We should not use, we should not touch kitchen appliances, knives, blades, iron, inflammable objects, toilet cleaners, electronic gadgets, mobiles, tablets, computers and internet. Safety at school, what do we do? In the classroom, we should not run. We should not touch things in the laboratories. We should not jump and push anybody in the playground. We should not run through the staircase and corridor in the school. Yes, accidents happen suddenly. People get hurt in accidents. Sometimes accidents can put lives in danger. We can avoid accidents if we are careful and follow the safety rules. Yes, accidents never tells when it is coming. So we have to be very much careful. We should be try to avoid the accidents. We must be stay safe. Stay in safe. Being safe at home. How? Put your toys away after you have played with them. You have played with your toys in the house, and when after completing your playing, you must keep them in the proper place. Never climb on the shelves and window sills. We should not climb on the bookshelves or any shelves or almirah or window sills, because you may fall and get hurt. So you have to remember, you must be safe everywhere. Never lean over a balcony railing. You may trip or fall. Not only balcony railing, on the rooftop you should not trip. Lean over the railings. Roof railings, you should never lean over the balcony railings or roof railings. You may trip or fall. Stay away from the fire and hot objects. Do not touch hot pans and boiling water. Do not play with matchsticks and burning candles. Sometimes you do. Don't do that. Okay? You may get a burn. Inform an adult if you smell something burning. Don't try to do yourself. Tell your adults, tell your elders to see what is going on there. Never play with the sharp objects like knives, scissors and blades. They may give you a cut. Don't touch the blades or scissors. And also knives. Do not touch electrical gadgets and switches with wet hands. Yes, you may get electric shock. Stay away from iron toasters, ovens, and other electrical appliances when in use. Yes, you have to be remember carefully these things. Never touch mobile phones and laptops, tablets, and computers when they are being charged. Yes, sometimes we use mobile phones with our charging on. We should not do this. We can get hurt. Yes, surf the internet. Surf the internet only in presence of your parents. Never give out your personal information to the strangers. Yes, the internets are the great source of information. We must use it wisely. Yes, now we are listening every day, we are hearing every day that cyber crimes. Yes, we should not help the cyber crimer to do this. Most cleaning products such as floor and toilet cleaners have harmful chemicals in them. Do not touch them. Take medicines only after asking your parents, or when your parents will give you medicine, then you take that. Don't take it yourself. And don't touch the floor cleaners or toilet cleaners. They have harmful acids. It will help. It will make harm to you. Let an adult answer the doorbell. Do not rush to open the door because there might be a stranger. Stranger means a person you do not know them, and they may harm you. Because they may be robber, isn't it? Yes. Being safe in school. How do you keep yourself safe in the school? In your school, the parents will not be there. So teachers are there, but they will not sometimes see what you are doing when you are walking in the corridors. Walk slowly in the corridors, never run on the stairs. Sometimes you do run in the corridors, run in the stairs, isn't it? Don't do that. In your home also. Never stand or jump on desks. Always use a sharpener for sharpening your pencils. Sometimes we use blade to sharpen our pencils or knives to sharpen our pencil. We do not use this. We use sharpener to sharpen our pencils. Inform your teacher if you spill water in the classroom. Yes, sometimes it may be. You may spill water in the classroom from your bottle. It may be. So you must inform your teacher, and she will guide what to do, and she will call the sweeper to clean the room. Inform your teacher if you feel sick. Yes, it must be. If you are feeling unwell, you must inform your teacher that you are not feeling well, because your teachers are very careful for the child. Being safe in the playground. Follow the rules of the games. Inform an adult if you see broken swing or slides. Do not play on them. Yes, if you see the swings and slides are broken, you don't go to play there. Do not play there. Yes, you must inform an adult that it is what happened there. Wait for your turn at swings and slides and seesaw. Do not stand in front or back of a moving swing. You must not stand in front or back of the moving swing. You may get hit by the swing. Do not talk to strangers. Never accept anything from strangers. Today, this much. Next day we will complete the chapter and do the question answers. Thank you for today.